Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're bringing you an Aritzia Melina Pant color haul with 4 colors that can work well in your wardrobe. So stay tuned. So the colors we're going to be reviewing today are Scarab, SparrowTaupe, Eclipse, and Black. So here are a couple of facts about Aritzia. Aritzia is a Canadian-based company. The Melina Pant is made of vegan leather. It's buttery soft, nothing that you've ever felt before. Trust me when I say you need to feel these pants. Once you do, you will never go back to whatever you thought you liked. They range in an array of colors. I think they are offering up about maybe 29 or 33 different shades right now. The sizes range from 00 to a 16, which is amazing. It's all inclusive. They have 3 different lengths, a short, a regular, and a tall. And these vegan leather pants retail for $148 US. So the first color we're going to be reviewing today is Scarab. Now Scarab is a dark green. I believe that greens are those colors where they're a staple in anybody's wardrobe, right? Think cargo pants, etc. The question is, what color shade of green should I buy for, depending on what time of the year it is? I suggest going and doing a much darker green during the winter months. Now, it's not an olive, but it is deeply saturated, as you can see. So I think that this is a staple that you would appreciate having in your wardrobe. Now, the second color that we're going to be reviewing today is SparrowTaupe. SparrowTaupe is a gray, but it's not the traditional gray that you're used to because it has a purple undertone. Once I saw these pants, I knew that I immediately needed it in my wardrobe because no matter where I wear it to, it will make me stand out. I liked it a lot, and I think this is what's really interesting about these pants is that they don't offer up just one specific hue per color. They give you an array to see what works best for you. I want you to stay tuned to see how I style this color later on in the video. The third color that we're going to be discussing today is one of my absolute favorites. It's called Eclipse. Eclipse is a very dark blue. But the reason why I love it is that it's still not too dark, whereas you don't notice that it's blue. This is one of the latest colors that was added to the Melina Pant collection for Aritzia, and it will work well with your wardrobe. Blue is a staple that you can wear to work, you can wear out for drinks for friends, and it works year round, so you will always have something to fall back on in case you have nothing to wear. So the last color that we're going to be reviewing today is probably the most important color, and it is called Black. Black is the ultimate wardrobe staple. It is rich, it is beautiful, it is saturated. And when you think about collections throughout the world, there's always a black option mentioned. Black is the ultimate core color. And I think because of this, the evolution of these other 3 colors were able to come as well. So now let's get into how I would style these looks. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe right now to see more videos from me, Seeown. See where life takes you and own every minute. See it, own it, Seeown it. Till next time, bye guys.